on at 2:30. So the YouTube live is up and running. I'll show the radar when it gets ready for Facebook. So I got slow-mo chat on, which means it'll send a comment every 1 minute. Just want to make sure YouTube's up and running, and it's running good right now. Alright, everyone that's watching on YouTube, I'm going to be going live here in just about 4 minutes on both Facebook and YouTube, I'm already live on YouTube, so technically I'm going to be going live on Facebook, and you guys are going to hear me do the weather. Now, for the ones that just now started watching YouTube, what it's going to do on the YouTube side of things is when I pull up the radar, it's going to show a split screen where it's going to have my face cam in the corner, and it's going to have the bigger screen with the radar. But on Facebook, it just shows the radar. It doesn't do the face cam on Facebook for some reason, which I think is fine. Which I think is kind of strange. So far, nobody's joined on YouTube, which that's to be expected when you first start a broadcast. They ain't going to join right away. So maybe people's probably leaving school and work and stuff. So we got about 3 minutes till we go live on Facebook. So I'm going to go ahead and get the YouTube thing pulled up on my phone. 2 minutes till we go live on Facebook. I just want to tell you guys, when I get on my microphone to do my live on Facebook, you guys are probably not going to hear me. So if you guys stay on the phone and I get on the live, it's going to be an echo unless y'all want me to mute my mic so there's not an echo. One minute. So let me go ahead and start getting things ready. Alright, I'm putting on my mic, so I'm not going to be able to hear you guys if y'all are talking. Get my microphone on now. Make sure you guys can hear me good. Screen shared. Entire screen. There we go. Alright guys, we're live on both Facebook and YouTube. Give me a minute to share this video and I will get started with your weather update here in just a second. Which I'll pull them up here in just a little bit. Give people another minute to join. Alright guys, it's been a minute. So I want to show you guys what's happening right now. So right now here in Litchfield, all we're getting is rain. There we go. Yeah, we got a little bit of rain moving through Litchfield, but it's not like heavy rain. It's just light rain. And then we go back across Owensboro, and Liverpool down across around the Kentucky-Tennessee line near Tompkinsville and Bird. We got thunder. I'll tell you this, those are some strong storms, but not strong enough to issue a warning, which is just going to be rain and just thunderstorm today. But tomorrow and Wednesday, we're going to talk about that here in just a minute. We're just talking about what's going on right now on the radar. There's thunderstorm Bowling Green. There's heavy rain over Glasgow and Edmonton. We're going to look at the current temperatures. I'm going to assume because we have this rain, I'm going to assume because we've had rain, they're probably not going to be that hot. So I'm going to load up the temperatures real fast. You guys can give me a second. They're still hot. So it looks like we got 70s and 60s because we got a 74 down in Bowling Green. I see a 72 in Owensboro, a 69 in Louisville, 70 in Glasgow. Sometimes I click on these locations because half the time the temperatures won't pop up. 76 in Clarksville, Tennessee. We have a 75 degrees in Nashville. That's the hot spot. So yeah, Nashville's the hot spot. We got heavy thunderstorms and hail coming up out of what appears to be middle Tennessee up in the parts of Kentucky near Clinton and Cumberland counties. But those storms are kind of going to go away from us. Now let's look at what's going on across other areas. Radar's going slow because I haven't used this for about 2 or 3 weeks. So y'all are gonna have to bear with me on this. You guys are gonna have to just bear with me on this. I'm looking at it's popping up purple. This is a tornado watch that goes from this to Nebraska, almost into the. I don't know why this radar it still shows up yellow, like as if it's normal colors. I guess they have updated this to the new weather bullets and stuff. But my other radar that I'm looking at on my phone, it's a purple tornado watch, and when it's purple, that means particularly dangerous situation, which usually happens when there's tornado outbreaks. So that'll be their third time within a 2 weeks time span or a week time span that they've had tornadoes out in severe weather. Which we'll talk about our severe weather here in just a second, which actually we're going to talk about it now. So I'm going to go over to the National Weather Service charts. But we're going to look at, the National Weather Service, what they're saying. And it's showing the 4-day forecast where it says today it's just going to be widespread showers and storms, highs between 74 and 78 degrees. Tuesday, this is not good what I'm fixing to tell you guys. Tuesday, strong to severe storms possible, highs between 80 and 84 degrees. Wednesday, strong to severe storms possible, highs between 81 and 84 degrees. And Thursday, it says gradual clearing and drying, highs between 76 and 79 degrees. Now we're going to look at the severe weather outlook. So we got 2 days of severe weather. Well, the first one we're going to look at is tomorrow, which we're in the level 2 slight risk. And the main threats with the level 2s are usually damaging winds, hail, flooding, and a brief tornado spin up. Cannot be ruled out. That's with the level 2. Which the level 2 is the yellow shaded area. Level 1 is the green. And then we go on the Wednesday, we got level 3, which is the orange. And the main threats with the level 3 they've put down is damaging winds, hail, flooding, and tornadoes. I did see something earlier on someone put on Facebook that they've upped everything a little bit. But they haven't. But the SPC has not upgraded the severe storm level risk. But I did see something. They said damaging winds, hail, flooding, and tornadoes. And then I did see something where they said a strong tornado or 2 is possible. But the only way that would happen is if they upgrade to a level 4 or 5, which we're not in. So maybe that may not be for us. But as far as we know, we're in the level 3, which the main risk for level 3 again is damaging winds, hail, flooding, and tornadoes. This is not going to be a tornado outbreak as far as I know, as far as what I'm seeing. But if we go into 4 and 5s, then the National Weather Service will probably call it an outbreak, which we hope we don't go to 4 and 5s. But you never know what will happen between now and then. Now we're going to look at the map that has the weather graphics from the National Weather Service. I'll look at comments in a minute on Facebook. So here's what it's looking like across the United States right now. And just about the whole United States is covered with thunderstorms. Just about on the graphic, the thunderstorm chances. Now we got severe storms and flooding threat across from northern Texas, Oklahoma, Kansas, Nebraska, even western northwestern Missouri, even northwestern Arkansas is getting in on this. But if you go toward Colorado, Wyoming, Idaho, Montana, snow chances. Now we're going to look at the graphic charts for Tuesday. Still the same thing, thunderstorms, but the severe threat moves across. See the shallow area, if you guys can see it, goes from Tennessee, Kentucky, Missouri, Illinois, Indiana, and Ohio, and West Virginia. That's severe storms. Now that's for the severe storms for tomorrow. Now we're going to look at Wednesday. Here we go. Wednesday. Severe storms and flooding threat from Texas, Oklahoma, Arkansas, Louisiana, Mississippi, Alabama, Tennessee, Missouri, Illinois, Indiana, Kentucky, Ohio, and West Virginia. So it looks like to me if there's a heavy rain and flash flooding threat with severe weather, we're not only going to have to worry about damaging winds and tornadoes and hail being the main threats, which I just said earlier, we got flooding. I'm going to close that off. We're going to go to the current conditions outside. While that's loading up, I'm going to check comments real fast on Facebook and YouTube. I'm going to check those while that's loading up. Okay, we got 2 people watching. I guess 2 people watching, that's better than having 0. But it's that time of day where everybody's busy, so not everybody's going to watch right now. So right now, it says current conditions outside is 68 degrees with winds west-southwest at 3 miles per hour. And that is as of right now. And it says, looking ahead, thunderstorms, some severe Wednesday afternoon through Thursday morning. Storms can bring hail and damaging winds. The morning storms, from what I'm seeing in the futurecast, is probably not going to be as bad as the afternoon storms. Same for Tuesday night storms; they're probably not going to be as bad. But Wednesday night is what we need to be concerned about, because that's when things are going to get really nasty and ugly. So we're going to look at the hourly forecast over the next 12 hours, what it's going to look like. So at 3 p.m., which is in a few minutes, it's going to be 71 degrees with mostly cloudy skies. 4 p.m., we got thunderstorms, 73 degrees. 5 p.m., 73 degrees with cloudy skies. 6 p.m., 72 degrees with cloudy skies. We go all the way to 8 p.m., rain showers, 69 degrees at 8 p.m. And then it's clear and cloudy from 9 p.m. to 10 p.m. Same for 11 p.m. Midnight, we got rain. 1 a.m., 64 degrees with cloudy skies. And 2 a.m., 64 degrees with cloudy skies. So we're going to get some storms at 4 p.m. and then rain at 8 p.m. And then rain again at midnight. And we're going to look at the 7-day forecast. So for Tuesday, it's going to be breezy with a strong thunderstorm, heavy thunderstorms in the evening, 80% chance precipitation, highest between 82 degrees, high of 82 degrees, low of 65 degrees. Wednesday, it's going to be heavy thunderstorms in the evening, which is going to be severe storms. That's when we have the enhanced risk of severe weather. With a high of 82 degrees, low of 66 degrees. And then Thursday, it says a shower and a thunderstorm for Thursday, high of 76 degrees, low of 53 degrees. And then it's going to be clear on Friday, so the storms start exiting on Friday, cooler with sunny intervals, high of 65 degrees, low of 47 degrees. So we're dipping back down to the 40s. And then Saturday, it says rain, couple of afternoon showers, high of 69 degrees, low of 49 degrees. Sunday, high of 68 degrees, low of 50 degrees, time of clouds and sun. And then for next Monday, it's going to be partly sunny with patchy clouds at night, high of 70 degrees, low of 46 degrees. So it looks like when these storms pass, we're going to dip back down into the 40s. For a minute on Facebook and YouTube. Let y'all stop on that for a minute. And it looks like we got a severe thunderstorm warning for the Nashville area. Just popped up on radar. So there's a severe thunderstorm. That's where that yellow polygon. I don't have any questions or comments as of right now. It's just people saying hello. But if you guys got any comments or questions, you can still comment them after the video's over. And I'll still comment back and I'll answer them. But yeah, Nashville's under a severe thunderstorm warning. That's kind of out of the area that I cover, so I'm not going to worry about them. So anyway, guys, I'm going to get off this live stream of this Facebook and YouTube live. I will see you guys back. I do want to tell you guys this. Have your weather radios on and on alert mode. You get put under a warning or a watch. Have your phone wireless alerts on. Also, I'll track the storms. So, guys, I'm going to go ahead and get off here, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.